Yeah? You like what you see? You remind me of my daddy. Yeah, you do. You like this, don't you, baby?
It's kind of funny. There's zero intelligence out there at all. I'm telling you, you're living in a black hole, a computer simulation. It's one electron balanced by a positron. It's one light hole and one black hole on an infinite loop. And through that transaction is the ash trailing jet, the aurora borealis, which is shooting out of the center of the flat earth plane. There's literally no way to fuck this up. How people don't see it is beyond me. So, this is the infinite potential, the living dynamo, the earth's memory, the goddess of the earth. And follow the drinking gourd. This is impossible shit. Every compass points to this place. The north side of a compass is seeking a south pole. X marks the spot. X is the female chromosome. You set up your Christmas tree on the X with the spiral lights around, showing you that Jesus the sun spirals around and around and around over the flat earth plane, moving inward and outward, bringing the seasons. And if Jesus doesn't bang the fuck out of Mother Earth, then there's no aurora borealis shooting out. The great dragon Typhon and Sut joined in an androgynous relationship. Pin the tail on the Dawn key like Dawn the Father who is in heaven. Hallowed be his name. You need to get to that abyss, that holy hole at the center of the flat earth plane, and cast yourself into the lake of fire with Satan himself.